I see so many videos today about this crypto project and that crypto project, and this is going to make you loads of money and this is going to make you loads of money, and it's just boring. I'm really passionate about Web3, and I wanted to put this series together for people who are also interested in Web3, who wanted to learn more about Web3 projects as a whole that in the long term are really going to develop. I'm going to be going into what problems they solve, what use cases they have. This series has been put together to look at Web3 projects that I believe in the long term are going to succeed. This new series has been put together so that I can share with you Web3 projects that are genuinely solving problems, actually have use cases, and that I believe have a real chance of success. I am not recommending that anyone give up their hard-earned money into any of these projects. I do recommend that you do all of your own research before making any kind of investment. This channel is not for investing. I just wanted to share my passion of Web3 and the businesses that are coming up in the space. These projects are going to be everything from NFTs, AI, crypto, DAOs, machine learning, blockchain, Dapps, and decentralization. The aim is to simplify what these projects do so that it's easier for you to understand. Hi, my name's Sam from Speak Straight, where we help Web3 businesses leverage their communities using ambassador programs. First off, we've got UHive. Now, UHive is very close to my heart. They helped me take my first steps into Web3, and I wouldn't be mentioning it if I genuinely didn't believe that it's a great project. I have worked with them for almost a year to the day, but they're not sponsoring me to make this video. This is completely out of my own choice. If I didn't want them on the list, they wouldn't be here. UHive is a decentralized social media platform, or as they've coined it, the social metaverse. They're targeting millions of social media users worldwide with the aim to decentralize social media, giving people back the power of their data. They've got a built-in crypto and a built-in NFT marketplace, which they call the internal economy. I'm going to lay it down right here. This is honestly the simplest and easiest way to take your first steps into Web3. With over 1 million users worldwide, UHive is easily one of the biggest, if not the biggest, Web3 project available at the moment. They reward their users with in-house crypto HVE2 for engaging and posting on the platform. You get daily rewards just for signing up. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, UHive is constantly working on developments for UI and UX in order to improve the platform. Now, the team is only small, so progress is a little bit slow, but having been going for the last 3 years and having more users than any other project that I'm aware of, I really believe that they could do really well. Next up, we've got another project that is close to my heart. Polaris was put together by some very good friends of mine, and I am very excited to see how far they've come. And I'm very excited to see how far they've been coming, and I also feel lucky enough to be supporting them to the success that they deserve. Built on the Metis chain, Polaris's goal is to onboard millions of Web2 businesses into Web3 using NFTs. Now, when I say they're onboarding businesses into Web3, they're tackling some of the biggest issues in the NFT space at the moment. They're fixing the lack of use cases by focusing solely on utility NFTs, and they're lowering the barrier to entry for businesses by doing all of the heavy lifting for them. Not to mention that start to finish, you'll be supported by an incredibly fantastic team who I am very, very honored to know. Creating NFTs with a genuine utility is exactly what the space needs. Simplification is a must because even some of the top people in crypto and Web3 still get confused, and they are doing an incredible job. Opulus is an exciting new project that's come onto my radar recently. They're also focusing on NFTs, but in a slightly different way. Built on Algorand, Opulus is decentralizing the music industry. Not only this, but Opulus are the biggest music NFT distributor, or MFT distributor, in the world. They've already worked with the incredible talents of Soulja Boy, Lil Pump, Kyle, and they have fantastic artists like Tyga in the pipeline as well. The big issue that Opulus are solving is that artists, musicians don't get a fair share of the royalties that are earned from their music, thanks to centralized distributors like Spotify. If you don't know about what Spotify is doing, then I highly suggest you search it up. They're also giving hardcore fans the chance to earn from the royalties of these NFTs as well. It's very difficult for an artist to start out in one of the most competitive industries on the planet. And what Oculus is doing with their NFTs is giving them a helping hand up the ladder. They're a really young and enthusiastic team from top to bottom, and they're partnered with the music giant Ditto. This is a great project that I will also be keeping my eye on. Next up, we've got Metasports Arena. Metasport Arena are building a virtual world, a metaverse, a virtual reality sports and entertainment hub to connect sports stars to their fans. They have their NFT collection that allows users to get involved with virtual sports, everything from soccer to motorsport. They're built on the Binance Smart Chain, also have an internal ecosystem for trade, which could be centralized if offline. Their product seems to be up to date and they're keeping up with their roadmap. They're also looking at implementing a DAO or decentralized autonomous organization with the backing from their SAM or SAM token. I'm particularly taken by this token name. The final project that I've decided to keep an eye on is slightly different to the original four, so I thought I'd leave it to the end. Web3 Foundation was put together to support growing open source projects with funding, advocacy, research, and collaborations. Their aim is to nurture and grow these projects that are sat on the edge of new technology in a fair and decentralized way, covering everything from layer 0 to layer 4. I really appreciate everyone watching this video. It's a lot of fun researching these projects. If you'd like to see a deeper dive into any of these projects, let me know in the comment. Alternatively, if you'd like to see me talk about a different project or your project, then send it through to me. I'd love to do that. Peace.